Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low. On the application of Authenticator, you will click on Settings. In this page, you can click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. In this page, you can click on Apps and you will enter to the app of Authenticator. Then you can click on First Step and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click Clear Cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode. You can fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.